and welcome to another short video tutorial, this time on roles and permissions. As mentioned in previous videos, roles and permissions within NeXuS are extremely customizable, and this makes it a powerful feature of the system. A role, put simply, is a combination of individual permissions which are grouped and given a name. Author, for example, is a role under which there are numerous permissions allocated which enable the author to do their work and to access the necessary menus and functions within the system. NeXuS comes with some default roles, all of which have different permissions. The permissions assigned to those roles are what dictate the menu items visible to the user and the functions they can do. Roles are set at a project level, not an application level, so while a user could be a specific role on one project, they could have another role on other projects and therefore have more or fewer menu items and functions available to them. In addition to the default roles, one of the things that makes NeXuS so powerful is the ability to create custom roles. Custom roles can be used to finely tune the system and allow different functions for different types of user. For example, your company or department may have a lead author to whom you may wish to allow some additional permissions. Rather than edit the default author role, you could create a new lead author role and specify the additional permissions you wish to allocate. There are a list of permissions available to choose from, and you simply tick the boxes of the permissions you wish to be available to the chosen role. This will enable the relevant menus within the user interface. Another example of where this feature is useful is if you wish to include your external partners as part of the data module workflow process. In this instance, you could, for example, set up a user role under your customer's name. Under the permissions, we'll give our customer the approve and reject permission under the data module permissions list and nothing else. The user, for example the subject matter expert or engineer from the external partner company, could then be added using the create new user function, and they'll be emailed their login details. This external user could be added to the project with the new custom role. This enables us to use the customer as part of a custom workflow process, meaning the data module has to get their direct approval prior to being issued. This makes collaboration on your project simpler and more integrated with your suppliers or customers. It also reduces the need for external data exchange as the partner companies become part of the approval process, all from within the same system. Hopefully this short video has given you an idea of the power of custom roles and permissions, as well as the power of secure cloud collaboration. Join us for the next short video tutorial on the NeXuS S1000D cloud. Please like and subscribe to the channel to be kept up to date for future videos.